The secret to a 700,000-mile car. Hey brother, most cars barely reach 200k miles before major trouble hits. But mine? It cruised past 700,000. The secret isn't luck, it's daily habits. Consumer Reports found that consistent care can triple a car's lifespan. Simple stuff, done right. Let's start with the first habit that changed everything: how I warm up the engine. Segment 2. Warming up the right way. You don't need to idle your car for 10 minutes. Modern engines warm faster when driven gently. Edmunds confirmed that long idling wastes fuel and builds carbon. I let mine idle for just 30 seconds, then drive calmly. The oil flows, the engine thanks you. Coming up next, let's talk about what I never skip after every fill-up. Segment 3. Checking fluids at the pump. Every time I refuel, I pop the hood. Coolant, oil, brake fluid. Just a glance saves thousands. Studies show 80% of breakdowns start from neglected fluids. Keep a small towel and flashlight in your trunk. Little effort, big protection. And buddy, caring for your car is like caring for yourself. Routine builds resilience. Next, the truth about cheap fuel. Segment 4. The gas quality game. Low-quality fuel leaves residue that clogs injectors. AA found that top-tier gas keeps valves 19 times cleaner. I always go for stations that list detergent additives. The fix is simple: cleaner fuel, smoother drive. In the next part, I'll tell you how tire pressure secretly controls your engine's life. Segment 5. Tire pressure and engine health. Underinflated tires make your engine work harder. The EPA says 20% underinflation wastes up to 10% fuel efficiency. I check pressure every 2 weeks, cold and accurate. Less strain means longer life. For your tires and your motor. Coming next, a habit that most drivers ignore until it's too late. Segment 6. The cabin filter trick. A dirty cabin filter doesn't just affect air quality, it also makes your AC compressor overwork. That shortens belt and alternator life. Replacing it every 12,000 miles keeps airflow smooth. Think of it as your car's lungs. Up next, the most underrated maintenance habit I swear by. Segment 7. Cleaning the throttle body. Carbon buildup on your throttle plate causes rough idle and loss of power. I clean mine every 15k miles using throttle cleaner. Popular Mechanics says it restores airflow and reduces strain on sensors. Keep it clean, keep it breathing. And bro, remember, consistency beats expensive parts. Let's talk about driving habits next. Segment 8. Gentle driving equals long life. No harsh acceleration, no sudden stops. Smooth driving keeps internal parts stress-free. Transmission experts agree. Driving habits affect lifespan more than oil brands. It's not about being slow, it's about being smart. Next, I'll reveal the habit that saved my transmission. Segment 9. Fluid changes. Matter transmission. Fluid is the most forgotten part of car care. Dirty fluid burns clutches and bearings. I flush it every 40k miles, and it's kept my gears buttery smooth. Use the right spec. Check your manual. And hey, just like in life, what you feed your system determines how long it lasts. Coming up, why I never let my tank run empty. Segment 10. Don't drive on empty. Running low on gas can damage your fuel pump. It depends on gasoline for cooling. Napa Auto Parts says it shortens pump life drastically. I always refill before hitting a quarter tank. Think ahead, drive farther. Up next, the oil change strategy that made all the difference. Segment 11. My oil change rhythm. I don't wait for the warning light. I change oil every 5,000 miles using full synthetic. It keeps viscosity stable and protects seals. Cheap oil is false economy. Keep records, use one brand, stay consistent. Next, I'll share the cleaning habit that costs nothing but saves everything. Segment 12. Wash the undercarriage road. Grime and salt corrode your exhaust and frame. Once a month, I rinse the undercarriage with mild pressure. Clean metal lasts decades longer. A shiny car isn't vanity, it's survival. Next up, How your parking spot decides your engine's fate. Segment 13. Smart parking habits. Parking under trees looks shady, but sap and leaves trap moisture that rusts metal. I choose open spots or use a cover. Even small habits protect value. And remember, buddy, caring daily, not rarely, builds lasting success. Whether it's your car or your goals. Now let's talk battery life. Segment 14. Battery love. Clean terminals and tight connections mean stable voltage. Once a year, I apply dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. AutoZone confirms this doubles battery lifespan. Simple, quick, powerful. Next, how temperature plays a role in every part of your car's health. Segment 15. Temperature awareness. Extreme heat breaks oil faster. Extreme cold thickens it. That's why I adjust my oil grade seasonally. Check your manual for local recommendations. Your car isn't failing, it's adapting. Let's move to what most drivers ignore: brake fluid. Segment 16. The forgotten brake. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, reducing braking power over time. I replace mine every 2 years. Bosch says old fluid causes internal rust and costly repairs. It's quick, affordable, and often overlooked. Coming next, let's talk spark plugs. Segment 17. Fresh spark, smooth drive. Worn plugs waste fuel and strain coils. I replace them every 40K miles using OEM specs. You'll feel smoother acceleration instantly. Don't ignore misfires, they're early warning signs. Next, I'll share how I keep the interior part of maintenance too. Segment 18. Interior care, JAT's longevity. A clean cabin isn't just comfort, it prevents electrical faults from dust and moisture. I vacuum weekly and condition leather once a month. The interior reflects the owner. Keep it clean, keep it proud. Now let's wrap it up with my golden rule. Segment 19. The golden rule of routine. Everything I did wasn't fancy, just regular. A logbook, scheduled care, honest fuel, patient driving, that's it. It's the same in life, brother. Consistency builds greatness, not shortcuts. One more thing before we end. Let's summarize. Segment 20. Final words and CTA. Those 19 habits took my car to 700K miles. No rebuild, no major breakdown. You can do the same if you start today. Like, share, and comment your own mileage story. Disclaimer: always follow your car manufacturer's maintenance guide or consult a certified mechanic for special conditions.